Alright guys, I think we have one of the first 2020 Q7s to arrive in California. So this one's a Premium Plus, fitted with black optics, driver's assistance. So I'll be able to show you kind of the ins and outs of the new grille, kind of the new look. Pretty sleek so far. Hasn't gone through the inspection yet. This is kind of the first look. You guys can see the new interior. It's got the double touchscreen, ventilated seats, heated and cooled, the gray oak with the Bose sound system. It still has the manual sunshades in the doors, ashtrays. People still get a kick out of seeing those. Kind of showing you the amount of space back here. Still good room, still has the third row. Just to show you guys a quick little breakdown. So 2020 Q7, Premium Plus, black optics, driver's assistance, warm weather and cold weather with the towing package. $71,990. The base price of the new 2020 Q7, $60,800. Definitely a beautiful car.